team, welcome back to Spec. It's been a minute, but we're back with the Ute. To be honest, I haven't actually driven it since I took it out to the drag strip, so the battery went flat. So I've got the battery on the charger at the moment, but I've got some interior tidy up stuff that I want to do, so let's get into it. So yeah, the old shifter is in really poor condition. It's all starting to fall apart here. I've never seen anything like it. So the wear and tear on it is absolutely horrendous, and actually every now and again the push button falls out, and you can't go anywhere until you click it back in. So I looked on trying to find a brand new, just factory ZF shifter, but I found it really hard to find one. So looking around on the internet, I found myself one of these. Ooh, carbon fiber. That's got to make it go faster. So today I'm going to whip that on. So I'm hoping the process isn't going to be all that difficult. So let's have a crack. So there should be, just pull this down. There's a bit of a circlip in here. Look at that. And just like that, it's off. Now, the funny thing I forgot is I also bought a new shift boot, because you can't put in a beautiful carbon fiber shifter with this shift boot in the ordinary condition that it is. Now I ordered one off eBay, and then I didn't realize until it turned up that it's actually just straight leather, not perforated like the one that comes on the XR. But I've got it here, it's brand new, it looks heaps better than the old one, so I'm going to chuck that in as well. There is this plastic sleeve that holds the boot up towards the shifter, and you've got to reuse that with the new boot. I should have paid more attention which direction that pointed. I reckon it's that way. Okay, so I've put that plastic clip in there as best as I can. I'll push this down. Hopefully the leather doesn't get in the way. And I'll put that shifter back on. Sort of a bit funny, it comes out. It's just got to be stressed into place. Anyway, over time they'll find a happy place together. Alright, new shifter. It's got the circlip on it already, so we'll pull that off. Yep, that's gone into the back somewhere. I have to go find that. Oops. Okay, it's working. Now, put in a circlip. Stop it from coming off. Clip that in. Now align this so that wiggles up. Boom. Beauty. Oh, that looks $1 million better than what it previously did. So look at that. Old versus new. Now, I do wish that was perforated, and I think I'll get a new one perforated, because what this has done is this has made my new old steering wheel look a bit shitty. So I think I'm going to have to get that retrimmed, and when I get that retrimmed, I'm going to get a new gear boot made for here, so that way at least they're perforated and they're matching again. But what do you reckon? I think it's $1 million. I forgot to mention, I got a new lid for the center console and a cover for the handbrake. So they're the Fairmont gear ones, so they're definitely more fancier, and it's starting to give it that more FPV style, even though it's just a XR8. The other sad and boring thing is this plastic cover on the seat is all broken, so I've got a new one of those, so I'm going to change that over now. So yeah, that was super easy to do. The plastic panel was super cheap too. It was brand new off eBay, aftermarket, but it was so easy and so cheap that, and it looks so much better than having this broken plastic panel beside the seat that you see every time you jump in the car. I've also got a new set of pedal pads coming, because these ones here are showing their wear. So I don't have them yet, but they're going to go in there too. But how about we go for a drive? So we're just going for a little bit of a drive just to make sure it's all still working. I didn't change anything in the shifter, but it's good to see that it goes into drive. So we're driving. Performance still slips over there. It still works on the manual shifting. Hey, let's give her a bit of a hit, eh? Oh yeah, that's got to be worth a 10th. It's like I say, there's more to going fast than going fast. You got to feel like you're going fast too. Yeah, I love it. So they talk about going fast. I do have some upgrades coming for the Ute to try and actually get quicker on the quarter mile, but I think they're still on the way, but they'll definitely go in before we go out next time. So I think that's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch you next time.